Good morning, children. Today in EVS, we are going to start a new topic which is very interesting and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So, you want to know what's our topic? Alright, so be still, sit silently and try to hear the different sounds around you. You may close your eyes. Come on and try to concentrate and hear the sounds around you. And then I'm going to ask you. Let's begin. Okay, so you may open up your eyes and tell me what were the different sounds you could hear? Yes, we could hear the birds chirping, correct? And the people talking, that's right. The barking of the dog, very nice. And what else? That's correct. We could hear the horns of different vehicles like car, bike, bicycle and so on. So what are these vehicles? Every day we use different vehicles. Can we imagine our life without them? No. Vehicles are very important part in our life. And this is what we are going to learn about today. So, our topic is transport. So children, now I would be drawing some pictures on the board and you have to tell what is it, all right? Can you guess which vehicle is it? That's right, it is a car. What about this one? What is this? Correct. This is a scooter. Which vehicle is this? Right, it is a bus. People also use this for traveling. Can you guess what is it? Right, it is a boat. What about this one? What is it? Can you guess? Yes, it is a ship. And where does a ship sail? Right, the ship sails in the sea. Can you guess what is this? Right, it is an aeroplane. So children, we can see we use different vehicles for traveling to different places, and vehicles help us to travel from one place to another. Not only the vehicles help us to travel, but they also carry the goods from one place to another. Children, let us come back and see once again. This is a car. What do you know about car? How many wheels does it have? Yes, it has 4 wheels. And where does it travel? The car moves on the road. That means it is a land transport. It moves on land. What about scooter? Scooter, does it move on water or air or road? Yes, it moves on the road. That means it is also a land transport. And what about bus? Bus also same thing. It also moves on road. So it is a land transport. What about boat? Yes, it sails on the river or water. So it is a water transport. Ship also moves on water. This is also a water transport. What about aeroplane? Right, aeroplane is a air transport. So children, if we see carefully that car, scooter and bus, these vehicles are used for traveling on land. That means they move on the road. And if we see boat and ship, these are used for traveling on water. And if we have to travel by air, we use aeroplane or helicopter. So children, we can see that we use different modes of transport or means of transport for different purposes. Suppose you have to visit a friend who lives nearby, how would you go? You would walk and go, isn't it? But if his house is far away, you may use a bicycle, scooter or a car to go there, isn't it? If we have to travel to far off places, we use cars and buses. And for the places which are out of our country, for traveling to different countries, we use aeroplanes. We use train if we have to move from one state to another. So children, we can see that transport can be divided into 3 main types: land transport, water transport and air transport. Train, bus, car, scooter, rickshaw, bicycle, etc. are means of land transport. Water transport, boat, ship, steamer, etc. are means of water transport. Air transport, aeroplane and helicopter are the means of air transport. So children, we use different means of transport for traveling on land, water and air. And all these are known as means of transport. All right? And there are some means of transport such as trucks and goods trains, which are used only for carrying goods. Goods here means the items or things. So some means of transport are used for carrying things, and such means of transport are known as goods carriers. Alright, this you need to remember. So children, that was all about transport. I hope you all have understood it well. For your homework, you will read this lesson thoroughly and learn all the examples of land, water and air transport. Okay? Thank you and God bless you.